Every single rupee note in your pocket has traveled an incredible journey, from raw cotton and linen fibers to the hands of millions of Indians.
The story of every Indian rupee begins here, planets, at the Reserve Bank of India, the authority responsible.
Unlike regular paper, currency notes are made from a special blend of cotton and linen fibers, making them far more durable.
The raw fibers are processed in specialized machines that transform them into ultra-thin, incredibly strong currency paper.
A metallic security thread is embedded directly inside the paper during manufacturing. Melting, one of the most
Every batch of currency paper undergoes rigorous testing in the lab, checking for exact thickness, strength, and quality before it moves to the printing stage.
Special security inks are prepared globally, including magnetic ink for machine-readable features and color-shifting ink that changes color when viewed from different angles. The first and most important printing stage uses intaglio printing, a centuries-old technique that creates the raised ink texture.
The detailed portrait of Mahatma Gandhi is printed with extraordinary precision, each line and shadow reproduced exactly.
Next, offset printing machines apply the incredibly complex background patterns, those intricate geometric designs.
See how the denomination numeral shifts from green to blue as the angle changes? This color-shifting ink is one of the most advanced security features on high-value notes.
Every single currency note receives a unique serial number, printed in magnetic ink so it can be instantly verified by bank machines and counterfeit detectors.
Under ultraviolet light, hidden security features become visible. Fluorescent patterns and fibers embedded in the note that are completely invisible to the naked eye. Incredibly tiny microprinting, text so small it's invisible without magnification, is another powerful security layer that makes counterfeiting virtually impossible.
After printing, the sheets pass through a precisely controlled drying chamber, ensuring the inks cure perfectly without any smudging or distortion. Every single printed sheet passes through an automated inspection system. High-speed cameras scan each note for even the slightest printing error or defect.
Any sheet with even a minor defect is immediately rejected and removed from the production line. These imperfect notes.
The printed sheets are then fed into precision cutting machines that slice them into individual currency notes.
The individual notes are automatically counted and stacked into bundles of exacted unit. Nice.
Each bundle of 100 notes is then banded with a paper strap showing the denomination and serial number range code, making counting and verification effortless for banks. Throughout the entire facility, armed security personnel maintain a constant watch. Access is strictly controlled and every movement inside is recorded around the clock.
10 bundles are then combined into a brick of 1,000 notes, each brick sealed and labeled before being transferred to the high-security vault.
When the time comes for distribution, the notes are loaded into armored vehicles under heavy armed escort.